You're welcome back to my channel, right? So some of you were asking me how I designed the inner page of this cover that I designed, this wedding jotter that I designed, right? And if you have not seen the jotter, the hardcover, check the link here at this corner right here. Yeah, click on that link to go and watch it, right? And I want to tell you guys something. Stop to download my videos. Stop downloading my videos. It's not giving me any value like that. Stream it. Watch it live. Watch it. Watch it. You don't have to download it. You understand? As you're downloading it, it's affecting me. You understand? Watching is the only thing that you guys can do for me. Watch it. Don't download for later because you want to save data. That's a rap line. But stop downloading. Hmm? Thank you. What I need for the inner is just these two guys you're seeing here. This is their logo and their names. I can even add the dates probably. Let me add the date. I'll just bring the dates like this and add. Some people may want to add something else depending on their mood. But I think this is just okay. I can reduce it like this. Hmm? This is just okay. So I'm carrying these two now. The next page, right? Let me crop it. So the next page, I'll just create another page like this and put this guy here. So I will need a box. I'll need a box here. So how will I do that? I can copy from the ones I have done before. This, the back cover that I did. Hmm? I can copy it and then remove this guy that is inside. I just need it plain, right? I just need it plain. I can duplicate it like this. You see? Hmm? So that is it. Then I'll need to make these guys white. Sorry, black. Black. Let me bring it down here. I'll need it at the top. Right here. I'll need it here. Right here. You get what I'm saying now? Let me put this one in black. This guy you're seeing right here. Let me put it in black. You see the way it is? We have the dates, we have their names, right? And we will also have their logos. We can put the logo at the center one, and then I'll need another one at the bottom like this. Hmm? I'll need another one at the bottom like this. Reduce, and then put it here. We may have to adjust that later, right? Then I can give this one lighter color, and then I will just take my freehand tool and then draw a straight line like this. Are you seeing it? A straight line just like that. Carry another one, give it space, and then I will drag it this extent, right? You can see. Then I can now duplicate it again, just a little space. Hmm? And then you can start pressing Ctrl R, Ctrl R, R for rat on your keyboard to duplicate. Can you see that? Then we can reduce this. You can reduce this and then do it this way. Reduce this line you're seeing here. This very line you're seeing here. Reduce it, right? You see what we have right now. Hmm? You see what we have right now. So you can highlight everything. Hmm? Control C, Control V. Then you bring it here, a duplicate of it, right? So you know pass like that. Hmm? You know pass like that. right? So what do you want again? Start to design the inner cover, right? So let me quickly use another mockup that I got to do the cover, right? Let me look, check if I still have that spiral mockup, spiral mockup. But I will not give you the mockup. Oh. I'll just show you. If you want all the mockups, you need to join the Telegram channel. In fact, you need to join my class. I have a class that is currently ongoing, so join it. See this mockup that you're seeing here, like five of them. It has the inner, it has the back cover, it has the what again? See, can you see that? It has the cover, it has the inner, it has the so many things. See, see, it's just too beautiful. You understand now? All these things they don't come the way you think. I don't need all of these ones. I've done the what's it called? The mock-up for the cover. I did that on my previous video. You can check it out. I'll put the link. The link is in the description. You can check it out. Right? So this one like this, I can just remove the cover, come here, remove it, and then drag it in, drag the cover inside. Right? See the cover right here. I'm gonna bring it just like this. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna bring it just like this. You get what I'm saying now? You can see. You can see. Say no more. Right? You getting it now? So that is it. That is the front. Let me save it. Draw. I'll save it as JPEG. And then let's look out for the inners. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. Let's go and export the inner. We only need one. Let's just export it like this. Control E. Right? Export as JPEG and export. Let's rename it. You can put numbers. You get what I'm saying now? I think that line is too thin. Let us make it a little. Let's make the line thicker. Let's make it like 1 or 1.5, right? Then we can now export it. Export as JPEG, and then you now take it to Photoshop. Go and fix it. You see the bottom page. Which one is the bottom page? Okay, the bottom page. Right? Just bring your inner like this. Bring your inner. Save it. Hmm? Then this one, bring your inner, put it. Hmm? Right? Then this side, bring your inner. So all of you that are asking, how did I do the inner? I hope you stop asking me because I'm tired of hearing how do you do the inner, how do you do the inner. Some of you even enter my Telegram channel to go and ask. It's very simple, right? So this is it. Simple as that. You can now save it as I'm not giving you this markup. Oh. Don't think I'm giving it to you. Oh. I'm just showing you how I design it and how I presented it to the client. Don't think of you will collect the markups. I cannot give you everything. You understand? I cannot give you everything. You understand? I hope you understand. I really do hope. I cannot give you everything. If I give you everything, what will you give me? So this is it. The cover, the inner, the cover, the inner, the cover, the inner. I think this mockup is better than the one that I used yesterday. Oh. You guys will check it and let me see. This one is better than the one I used yesterday. Right? So if you have any question, enter the Telegram channel and go and ask. Right? Go and ask in the Telegram channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.